Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back or to the channel. All right, man, I know it's been forever since I uploaded a video, but I figured I'd go ahead and make a video today. Seems how it's nice out. This is all metal polish, and yeah, so we're gonna be polishing up the front bumper on my truck. As you can tell, it's oxidized and hazy right here. The other day I actually started polishing it right here, and as you can tell,
yeah, you be hooking it up, you be getting at it, man. It must be a lot wrong with that, man.
yeah.
I see like about 5, 6 people by there trying to come there and fix that joint. It's a nice truck.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
How you think about selling?
Shit, not right now.
Alright.
I got people all the time asking me if I want to buy my, or if I want to sell my truck. I mean, shit, I want to buy this motherfucker too. It looks like a damn picture. I mean, it's picture perfect. This is a sexy ass truck. Listen, I know how to make vehicles look good. All right, so I got this over here. It's made by Turtle Wax. Turtle Wax, if you're watching, please sponsor me, because I've been using this stuff for years, bro. Along with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and Polish and Wax and all kinds of stuff. This is just a regular SOS pad with the soap. I haven't used any water on it, just a dry one. And what I do, seems how the SOS pad will actually clean this stuff up. Let me just show you guys real quick. The SOS pad will actually clean this up a little bit. It'll get rid of some of that oxidization, but see, it barely does it. You got to use this stuff. Open up our metal polish, a little dab on here, just like such. Take this crap, let's do this. You gotta really wipe this stuff off too. That thing sounds like crap, man. Look at that. Now you can see yourself in it. Shit. Damn. People be all type of scratching that shit up. But yeah, then that's all you gotta do, bro. You guys like this video so far, man? Behind the license plate holder, it looks brand new. You gotta really rub this shit off. Tell you, man, it's the little things like this that'll make your vehicle look so much freaking better. If you're trying to sell it, you know what I'm saying? And make it look really good. I don't really want to sell this truck. I've had it for 2 years and only driven it like 20 miles. That's a minivan, bro. That's a freaking Chrysler minivan, man. But yeah, man, that's basically all you gotta do. And it comes all the way around. Like, look how clean that is, dude. That is crazy. It's more shiny on this side because I already polished this the other day, but it's more shiny on this side because all the bug guts and stuff hit right here. You would think it'd splatter on the side, but it doesn't. And it's clear, dude. Clean. I gotta get this bumper re-chromed anyway. But yeah, man, the SOS pad itself will remove all this rust, but I kind of like the rust, man. It gives it character. So yeah, anyway, if you guys like this little video, man, go ahead and give it a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And shit, I might do my grill inserts later on. If you guys want to see me do that, let me know. These things need to be cleaned up anyway. Bunch of mold and stuff growing on them. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.